why I put it up for like 10 or 15 seconds is that I don't want it to be cold, ante. So I have this tzatziki sauce. This Costco lunch techukunnanu. I like the yogurt flavor. Eppudaina sare wrap lo. So I'm going to be using that. So koncham just atla veskuni I'm going to spread it out. I think I want to start with the veggies. Baby arugula probably like a handful veskuntanemo. Just set it up like that. Probably a little bit more. Actually I wouldn't recommend ekku veskodam arugula because one, I mean inta kuda veskokarledemo but naaku ishtamo. They have a strong flavor. So inka edi veskunna peddanta taste em anpichadu danto paatu. Microgreens koncham paadaipotunnattunnayi because chaala rojulu ayin techukoni. And దీని మీద నేను ఫిష్ దాన్ని ఏమంటారు ఎయిర్ ఫ్రై చేశాను ఫిష్ని. దానిపైన ఐ యాడెడ్ సమ్ ఆనియన్స్ అండ్ బెల్ పెప్పర్స్ సాట్ చేసి ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకున్నాను ఫిష్కి యాడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత. సో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ యాడింగ్ హియర్. It's not too much protein ippudikaiతే, but already wrap lo protein undi kabatti I think it should be okay. ఒకటి kimchi ranch అని ఒకటి ఉంది, ఇంకొకటేమో spicy garlic hot sauce ఉంది. I want to try these two before I go ahead and just gonna add a little bit of that sauce on top of it, and let me show you how it looks. Can you see that? That looks good, right? Yeah, I'm sure it will taste great too, but we'll see what the verdict is. Problem ఏంటంటే ఈ wraps so you cannot like professionals కాదు కదా మనము, so అందుకని I don't think it's easier to wrap them, but let's see how it tastes. Actually చాలా బాగుంది. If you're someone who does not like to eat carbs, and this is a very good meal, try it out.